Your new home is a space where you'll entertain friends, spend quality downtime, and create precious family memories. It really is the place where blissful connection meets relaxation. Achieving the designer look in your home is all about finding the seamless balance of new styles with an injection of your personal individuality. After all, your home should be a reflection of you and your family. To help you achieve that, here are my 5 tips to help you incorporate the designer look in your new home. My first tip is to take advantage of natural light. Lifting the atmosphere of any room, natural light adds instant warmth, calm and connection to any space. Whether it is adding large windows to a room or double sliding doors to the master bedroom, considering how light enters and plays within a room allows you to make the most of every corner of your new home. Or for the ultimate architectural feature, consider skylights for the stairwells, living areas or bedrooms to allow natural light to cascade throughout the day. My second tip is to add a splash of personality with the finer details. From selecting colours, textures to finishes, building a new home is a busy process, and it's important that your new home reflects your individual tastes and personality. Nothing makes a statement quite like different surfaces and textures on your walls, whether it's choosing wallpaper for the kids' bedroom, featuring VJ panelling to the stairwell, or painting a bold colour to the bedrooms. Draw attention and spark interest and individual personality in every room through colour, textures and materials. For a seamless flow from wall to ceiling, consider adding contemporary square set ceilings to provide that extra touch of luxury and sophistication, leaving you with that one pressing decision, and that's which room to spend your time in. My third tip is to create a statement kitchen. Now, this is the most loved part of the home, so it's possibly going to be where you'll spend a lot of time with your family and friends. Have statement pieces throughout to wow you and your guests, while still preserving the contemporary and functional aspects of your kitchen space. Sleek 2-pack joinery is durable and gives you design control. Consider contemporary stone colours and perhaps introducing a dramatic interest such as this luxe angled island stone bench to really catch the eye. My fourth tip is to feature full height tiling to the bathrooms and the laundry areas. Floor to ceiling tiling instantly evokes a sense of sophistication and elegance, perfect for creating your very own spa oasis at home. Now consider featuring modern shaped tiling, or get creative and amplify the room with bold colour tiles. Then finish off this high impact space with a striking contrast of statement matte black or coloured tapware against crisp white tiling. My fifth tip is to make a statement with an extra large front door. It is the ultimate VIP entry point, as it instantly evokes a sense of grandeur from the moment you arrive. And not only will it leave a lasting impression on your guests, but it will add a striking element to your external facade. Creating the designer look in your home is so achievable with Montgomery Homes. With floor plans and features that balance beauty and practicality, it will truly be a space that you'll feel at home in.